Hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make some homemade pie crust. For your first step, you're going to want to pour 1/5 of a cup of lukewarm water mixed with 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt into a bowl with an egg yolk in it. For your second step, you're going to want to switch bowls, then put in 1.5 cups of flour plus 1 tablespoon. Next, I'm going to want to take 1/2 cup of butter cut into small pieces, and then pour it into your bowl of flour. After that, you're going to want to pour your liquid mixture into the center of your bowl. You're next going to want to knead together your mixture with clean hands. You can now take your dough, which you just kneaded, and then let it sit it down and let it rest. This will ideally take 20 minutes. After you've taken your pie crust out of the refrigerator, you can put it on a pan and just spread it out. Now that you've made your pie crust, you are going to want to poke the bottom with a fork so that it doesn't bubble up. Now that you've finished poking your pie, you can put it in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes. The pie just came out of the oven. It looks great. You can choose to fill your crust with whatever you want. I will leave a link in the description below on how to make a lemon filling. Thank you for watching to the end. Hope to see you next time. Bye!